What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, I'm waiting for M1 Finance to finally add the other YieldMax ETFs. Tomorrow, I'm going to post a video comparing TSLY and APLY ETF, which one I like better, which one deserves a little bit more credit. But I'm going to review a few of these new YieldMax ETFs. I'll first go over my buys in M1 Finance. I threw 250 in. If you don't like that, just skim through it. I'm going to have some timestamps for you. And I'll go over my potential with TSLY ETF. You know what? I'll do the TSLY ETF and the YieldMax strategy first, and then I'll go over my buys. We'll just do that. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this strategy out right now. So first, I want to go over TSLY ETF. This is a option income strategy ETF. It's sitting at 1456. So this is my kind of mothership of my dividend portfolio in the Death Star. The YieldMax TSLY option income strategy ETF sitting at 1456. So this is something that is strictly income. It's not going to beat the S&P 500. It's not going to beat Tesla stock. Day range is 1253 to 2176. Day range is 1447 to 1462. Previous close is 1455. I'm going to jump to these guys real quick on their website, and we're going to go over a few more things that I have in mind with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio strategy. So again, the TSLY YieldMax Income Option Strategy ETF. It is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling/writing call options on TSLY. TSLY pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining cap participation in the price gains of TSLA. Now, make it clear, the fund does not directly invest in TSLA. So the other thing is, the distribution rate is the annual yield an investor would receive if the most recently declared distribution, which includes option income, remain the same going forward. The distribution rate is calculated by multiplying an ETF's distribution per share by 12 and dividing the result amount by the ETF's most recent net asset value. Distribution rate represents a single distribution from the ETF and does not represent its total return. The 30-day SEC yield represents a net investment income, which excludes option income earned by such ETF over the 30-day period ended in 7/31/2023, expressed as an annual percentage rate based on such ETF's price at the end of the 30-day period. Don't forget they have a high expense ratio. And again, the fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Tesla, subject to a limit on potential investment gains. Now, there's a risk, as they say on their website. But I want to go over here with their distribution rate. So I earn right around $500 in dividends. I'll reveal that to you because I'm not playing around. On 8/3/2023, so the dividend trends 99 cents, 90, 90, 82, 44, 80 cents, 106, and 83 cents is pretty attractive. And they're cheaper than Altria stock, just to let you know. So the top 10 holdings, again, these treasury right here, these call options. Where is Tesla stock? Exactly, it's not invested in Tesla stock. So I just want to let you know on that. So I'm going to jump to M1 Finance with my dividend history of TSLY ETF real quick, just to show you how transparent I am with investing in these guys. So to make it clear, I have 604 shares with TSLY ETF. So look, I made $501.90, which was reinvested back into M1 Finance. So I use these guys to buy my dividend growth stocks. So I'll show you what it did for me. I received some extra dividends from other stocks, and it bought me $554.84 in CSWC, which is a high yield business development company. It's right around, I think, 53 cents per share per distribution. Its revenue is pretty strong. I really like these guys. So this really turbocharged my dividend portfolio a little bit. So if I can get, it's not a guarantee because it was right at 83 cents, but if I can get a lot of money from TSLY and really turbocharge my dividend portfolio with TSLY, I'm game. Now I'm going to go over back to the YieldMax website real quick. And I'm looking at NVDY, and I'll just show you the YieldMax NVDA option income ETF. I want to try to have maybe these guys in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. They didn't add it yet. I can load up $5,000-$6,000 in these guys and then have my YieldMax ETFs buy other stuff, and then include this other ETF that's with the distribution schedule a little bit different. And I think it's a week earlier or a week after YieldMax ETFs. So I'm going to jump to these guys, which is KLIP, KraneShares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. So this is the KraneShares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF, seeks to provide current income by following a covered call or buy right strategy. Buy shares of the KraneShares China Internet ETF, KWEB, and writes or sells corresponding call options on KWEB. So this is what I like. Their distribution, which I'll go over, is, let's see, they were 56 cents in 2023. Now they're 83 cents. So they've been pretty good. 83 cents, a dollar. They're in the high distribution mark right there. So at worst they were 56 cents, and now they're high. Okay, and if I can have them, okay, KLIP, and the YieldMax ETFs distribute dividends, let's just say $1,000, $2,000. I don't even have to touch M1 Finance, and I'll let their dividends take care of everything. And I'll never have to put any more money in. They'll just reinvest it for 20 years or so, flip it, and then use that income as my own income. So that's something that I've considered. I'm hoping M1 Finance finally distributes that and allows it to be a ETF or stock. Well, let's just say an ETF inside their portfolio, because they have TSLY. I'm waiting for them to add these other covered call or these options ETFs, because there's a lot of potential. We don't even know what GOY is with YieldMax yet, or these other ones. So this is exciting, but it's also frustrating because M1 Finance has not added these guys. So I wanted to make a kind of a brief video, go over a few things with TSLY and my strategy. And I want more YieldMax ETFs and M1 Finance so I can start distributing either dividend income from my high yielders into these guys so that they can buy my dividend growth stocks, or I can just buy them and throw them in M1 Finance. So I just wanted to go over that real quick, just emphasizing my strategy a little bit. And excuse me, this weather has just really stuffed me up. Just got really rainy and stuffy. Ugh, feels like fall. I'm just being honest. It's like 60 degrees outside in August. So that's basically what I wanted to cover. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I hope you enjoyed video number 2 today. I promised you I'd post another video. I was kind of quick, a little bit of a speed run with this one, but I had to really kind of update you on my investing strategy, philosophy, and what I plan on doing. I want to load up an M1 Finance first. So I'm going to jump to my disclaimer real quick. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. This is for entertainment purposes only on this YouTube channel. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. These investments that I make or that you're making have a huge potential of losing money. So you must do your due diligence. It's best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor, somebody that is certified to give financial advice. I am not certified to give financial advice. I'm not going to give you financial advice. I'm doing this for entertainment purposes only and showing you my passive income journey and my dividend investing strategy. So I just want to be clear with that. And I also have a disclaimer in my description of my videos. So it's, anytime you ask me what stock should I buy, I'm not going to give you financial advice. So I'm just being clear. I'm not your savior. I've lost money before in investments, and I'm very transparent with that with you guys. I just wanted to be clear with you. Make sure you seek advice, professional advice from a financial advisor. So you guys take care and have